Back to TKC Cup. Today I'm going to read you a book called Tumfords, Rude Noises by Nancy Tillman. And I'm going to be, this is a cat about his rude manners and bad noises and rude. So you guys, let's get started into the book. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and share. You guys, if we get to 40 subscribers, we will have a field trip vlog. So you guys, make sure to subscribe. Let's get started into this book. Tumfords, Rude Noises. Tumfords Scout, who, like the most boys, like to be silly and like to make noises. It didn't matter that he was a cat. Tump never bothered with details like that. But today, Tump's parents were not in the mood. He was just loud. Tumford was rude. That's the cat. As everyone knows, if not, hear fair warning. Loud noises is not pleasant. First thing in the morning, yet early Tuesday in Sweet Apple Green, Tum was utter noise-making machines. So he's playing a drum, and they call it machines. Face in his bowl, he blew bubbles and slurped. Eating sweet rolls, he giggled and burped. His parents, not pleased, were in fact quite put out with some rude noises that came out from Tim's Scout. You think that wouldn't stop him, but no, not a bit. In fact, Tumford got a quite thrill out of it. There was some tiny thing perhaps I should mention. Sometimes he did these things just for attention. Dear, that meant trouble. It needed for Tom's Scout, and he was certainly soon to find out. The sweet apple gill expected at 8 had just as twinkling marching through the gate. Can you imagine what Tumfords Scout did? That's right, you guessed it. Heaven forbore. Time seemed to stop at least for a minute, but Tom did not find much to laugh about in it. Not all he heard was the loud voice of a dog. Take that ill-mannered cat out of the room. So his parents took him out of the room. Bother and mystery. Poor Tumfords Scout had managed to land himself square in time out. So like how humans and little kids do, they stand against the wall. But I didn't know, but cats can do that too. But this is a fiction story, so maybe they do that too in the story. As everyone knows, loud sounds and rude noises are always welcome for small girls and boys. They may get attention, it's true, yes they may, but it won't be felt in a very nice way. I'm sure that you could have told Tumford that maybe you still like to help the poor cat. Whisper these words Tom's ears if you would. Tumford, not all attention is good. Look, Tumford heard you. He heard, loud and clear. What a relief. Well done, my dear. He's shocked because we told him, you said it too, that it says this is to whisper this. Tumford, not all attention is good. He heard that. So now he knows what to do. Great job, guys. In Sweet Apple Green, the joy was so big that everyone danced quickly Tumford's scout jig. Now there was no need for Tom's folks to scold him. He learned his lesson. You already told him, but just to show that they both understood that no one can ever be perfectly good. The scout promised Tom he could sometimes be silly, as long as in private and not willy-nilly. So Tom, with a grin, mostly sweet and sincerely, made a rude noise into George's left ear. And the scout loved him madly from whiskers to toes, just like I love you, as everybody knows. Or mostly, everyone knows, or everybody. You are loved, it says on this page, and then there's this, where the book comes from, and then right here it's somebody, the author, the illustrator, and the author. She is kissing a giraffe because I guess she likes animals. But you guys, I hope you like this story, and I'll see you next time. Ruff, ruff, pow, out.